Welcome to Orbix Victus International. Orbix Victus International is the insurance protection or insurtech division of a 16-year-old multi-billion peso company, Empowered Consumerism, that has started last March 2006. This company has created more than 20,000 self-made multi-millionaires and counting. Bakit nga ba kailangan natin ng protection or ng insurance? Or bakit ba kailangan natin maging sealed with OVI or Orbix Victus International? One of the main reasons is that insurance is important financial tool, lalo tigit sa mga unexpected na pangangailangan. There are three big facts bakit mahalaga na protected ka. Alam mo ba that in the Philippines, 648 billion pesos ang ini-spend ng mga tao when it comes to accidents? And 373 billion pesos nito ang ini-spend ng Pilipino na galing sa sarili nilang bulsa. Number 2, big facts. Alam mo ba that 1.5 families ang nagpo-fall down under poverty line ng dahil lang sa unexpected na gastusin because of accident? Kaya naman, isa sa mga nagiging dahilan kadalasan kung bakit kakaroon ng poverty situation ng isang pamilya ay nang dahil sa aksidente. Number 3, big facts. Did you know that being sealed with OVI, meron kang protection sa income and assets mo? Dahil pag nagkaroon ng pangangailangan na hindi inaasahan, yung mga naipundar ng tao, napipilitang ibenta para lang ipambayad sa unexpected expenses. Thank God merong OVI or Orbix Victus International. Dahil kapag ikaw ay sealed and protected, meron kang peace of mind at iyon ang hindi kayang bayaran ng pera. And because of this, Orbix Victus International provided an insurtech product called Seal Pro. Seal Pro means self-empowered assets and life protection. Ano ba yung mga Seal Pro products? Number 1, meron tayong Platinum ER. Ang coverage nito is personal accident coverage worth 1 million pesos. Just in case na yung tao unexpectedly nawala sa picture, magkakameron ng family niya ng 1 million pesos. Meron ditong total permanent disability just in case na yung tao ay nagkameron ng permanent disability, meaning hindi na siya able makapagtrabaho, meron siyang matatanggap na worth 1 million pesos. Unprovoked murder or assault, just in case na yung tao is nawala sa picture ng dahil sa murder or assault, makakatanggap ang family niya ng 250,000 pesos. Medical reimbursement na worth 200,000 pesos just in case na hindi nawala sa picture pero nagpa-hospital, meron siyang 200,000 pesos na medical reimbursement. The good news is, sa Platinum ER, meron siyang daily hospitalization income worth 2,000 pesos per day for the next 10 days. The next Seal Pro product is the Bronze. Magkano ang coverage? That's a personal accident coverage is worth 500,000 pesos. Total permanent disability is 500,000 pesos. Unprovoked murder assault for 125,000 pesos. Medical reimbursement of 100,000 pesos. Daily hospitalization income of 1,000 pesos per day for the next 10 days. Burial assistance of 25,000 pesos. The next Seal Pro product is the Repat Care. Nakadesign naman ang product na ito para sa mga kababayan nating OFW. Repat Care is the full service repatriation of the mortal remains assistance worth 1.2 million benefit value. Normally kapag ang OFW is nawala sa picture at nasa ibang bansa siya, yung remains niya, meaning yung katawan niya o yung labi ng OFW, yung expenses going here, transportation and service and everything that will be shouldered by Orbix Victus International. These are the wonderful Seal Pro products of Orbix Victus International. Kaya lagi mong tandaan, in everything that you do, we always think of you.